Hi everybody, it's Miss Carrie from Bridgeville in South Fayette Township Library, and we're doing our homemade and healthy today. So what we're going to be doing is making an eye mask with green tea. So let's see what we'll need. Now that you know what you'll need, let's get started. So I already have my 1/4 cup of hot water, and all you have to do is put in your green tea bag. Now that I have my my green tea is steeped, I poured it onto a plate, and then I put my pads onto the plate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this soak in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. All right, guys, so I just got the cotton pads out of the fridge after 10 minutes, and what you should do is drain by squeezing the excess liquid. All right, and then you're just gonna put it underneath your eye. All right, like that. Okay, and then you're gonna do it for the second one too, and then put it underneath your other eye. And then you give that about 10 minutes. All right, and then we'll go from there. All right, I'll tell you how I think it works. All right, guys, so I tried out the eye mask. I already washed my face. Well, I put water on my face and then dried it off with a towel. So I think it looks better than what it did. So, which is good. That's what it's supposed to do. So that's always good. It was so easy to do and not that time consuming that, I mean, why not do it? I'll probably end up doing it again because I usually have some pretty bad bags underneath my eyes. So it'll just be helpful to have in the future. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy and try it out. This is going to be one of the take and makes that we have available. So feel free to pick one up at one of our libraries. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.